Welcome to the Charged Up Podcast, where we explore the intersection of technology, innovation, and the future of transportation. Today, we're diving into Tesla's exciting new initiative, offering factory tours as a perk for those who order a Tesla vehicle. Imagine stepping inside the heart of electric vehicle manufacturing, witnessing the cutting-edge technology and processes that bring these incredible cars to life. This move not only enhances customer engagement, but also connects buyers with the Tesla brand on a deeper level. It's a brilliant strategy that underscores transparency and builds trust in a market where consumers are increasingly curious about the origins of their products. As we peel back the layers of this initiative, we can't help but consider the broader implications. How does this shift the automotive landscape? Will it set a precedent for other manufacturers? It's a fascinating moment that invites discussion on sustainability, consumer experience, and the future of car ownership. Join us as we dissect these topics and more, pushing the boundaries of what we know about electric vehicles and consumer interaction. This podcast was co-produced by Daniel Aharonoff and Mogul Media AI.